start with another lesson, which is les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Okay, let's begin. Repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. I hope you have understood the names. They are very easy. Okay, please repeat again. This time I am not going to speak, only you are going to speak. Keep watching the screen. Good, très bien. Okay, now let's come to the part 2, game time. I'm going to tell you some days in French. You're going to tell me in English. Okay, let's begin. This one. Mercredi. Wednesday. Another one. Jeudi. Thursday. Okay, another one very simple. Your favorite day. Dimanche. Sunday. Right. Okay, part 3 now. Again game time, but now this time I'm going to tell you the days in English and you're going to tell them in French. This one, lundi. Now this one, Saturday, samedi. Okay, now this one, mardi, Tuesday. Let's start with another game. And now you're going to see a list here. Just tell me which day is missing. Vendredi is missing. Friday. Okay. Check another list. Try to see, look out which one is missing. Dimanche is missing. Sunday. Okay, very nice. And the third list now. Mardi is missing. Very simple. Second day of the week. Mardi is missing. Tuesday. Very nice. Très bien. This is all to make you people practice, you know. Now we're going to play another game with you people. You're going to tell me which day comes next. Okay. Which day comes after mardi? Mercredi. Good. Très bien. Mercredi. Okay. Which day comes after vendredi? Samedi. Very nice. Okay. Which day comes after dimanche? Lundi. Dimanche is the last day. So after that will come Monday. Very nice. Très bien. So I hope you have understood the names of the week. Keep practicing them. Before signing off, I would request you people to please like the video if you have learned something from it, and also please share it. And please subscribe to the channel if you have visited the channel for the first time. For more videos, hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notification of the new video. Big thank you to all those people who have already subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Au revoir. Bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.